Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. High priority contract available. Attack back to objective location. Alright, we got you started. You finished the job. Enemy soldier incoming. Squad mate found intel on the location of the next gas spread. Get it to the designated location for decryption. Hurry.
Wow, congratulations, GG. Sabi ko sa inyo, nasa Pennsylvania ang ano eh. Ang mga hindi. Kaya nalilipat na ito dito.
Oo eh.
Hindi, wala kasi ato na ang gano'n naglalaro. Doon malaki masyado ang Texas. Tingin ko ang malakas din eh, kaya nga lilipat na yan dito. She don't belong there. Yeah, I don't know.
Shit talaga.
She, yeah. Wala ko may girls kung sabi she. God damn, can't wait for you to
Enemy
move.
dropping in.
UAV. Plan nyo ngayon? You want to pop it? Lepe? Daming ano ah.
Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
May pera.
Ikaw naman nagpapanalo, Pepe. Okay yan.
Bitaw sa akin, bitaw sa akin.
Ha? Tama?
Ito ano.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Ay, makadepende kay
25 left. Stay sharp out there.
Pas ka nga, Pepe.
Uplink down. Contracts pulled.
Pas ka nga. Pas ka nga.
Hindi, sabi ko depende.
Kung kasama ka daw eh, tuloy tayo. Kuya,
Gas is closing in. Hostile mosquito is online.
sabi ko,
You're getting another chance.
sasama ka daw,
Make it
sabi
count.
ni Mike, tuloy tayo, Korean barbecue.
Tanga mo.
Drop sa atin, drop sa
Yeah, yeah.
atin.
Isang bansa.
Sa UAV tower. Ano?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Ayun.
Your squad made it to the safe
Uy,
zone.
naglag ako.
Naglalag ako. May
Ay,
hacker.
ako naman. Nilalagay na ako, man. I'm skipping.
Grabe yung lag.
May hacker, Riz.
Ay, puta na. Wow.
Ay, ba't di ako
Dito.
Dito sa akin.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well
Right.
done.
Pepe. Nice shit.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I know.
Isang Pepe.
Naglalag pa rin kayo?
Hindi na. Balik ko dyan.
Uy, dito sa akin.
Go get your revenge.
Down.
Needed.
Tangina nyo. Banger Buster. Alis.
Ay!
Wala na akong ammo.
Drop, ano pre sa taas?
Completely empty.
Dito pa rin sa maliit na bahay.
Okay. Ikot na pa si Kaya. I'll try. Kung walang tao sa taas.
Wala bumagyo. Ayos
I don't see
lang.
them anymore. What the hell?
Wala na, umalis na sila.
Takot kayo, no?
Takot sila kay Pepe. Uh,
Our counter UAV is counter UAV is online.
Gas mask go. Whoever wants it. Gas mask here.
Kasmas na ako.
Pepe.
All right, your squad's in the safe zone.
Ay, naka.
Ano tayo?
Ano na ako na?
Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
Ano na ba?
I mean,
Saan may tao, Pepe? May loaded na sa tunnel.
kuha kayong lola doon.
I have a loadout.
Ah, ay, on me. Ay.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. All right,
Self-revive.
squad mates located in HVT.
Ito.
This was high risk, high reward. Get after them.
Bumili kayo self-revive. Ito pera. Pera here. Think kayo.
Tao doon, oh.
Pepe, bumili kayo self-revive. Bar sale. Tunnel na tayo. Ay, it's not even right in the area. We can probably go here.
We've got reinforcements inbound.
Eh,
All
Wow,
bounty
load
targets
up,
are
load up.
KIA. Well done.
I'm gonna try.
ay puta, na-snipe ako dito.
Pepe pala yun. Okay.
Hindi nyo ako ma-pick up. Ay, di na.
Di ba?
Yeah.
May kalaban ni PJ.
Sige.
Matay ako.
Okay lang. Yan.
Ito pera PJ, bumili ka self-revive.
Okay.
Pera ha.
Enemies deployed a buy station.
Ayun yung parang doon.
Umulan,
Tara,
bumag.
tara.
All
PJ,
squad
saka
members
na.
are in the safe zone.
I'm coming, 4 seconds.
Tara,
Your
tayo sa
squad mates
water.
redeploying. Well done. Fire sale's over.
Coming down.
Adjusting prices.
Tubig tayo dadaan.
Sino yung pera? Ah, ito. Ah, bibili mo na ako sa revive. Revive.
Saan ka ba, Pepe? Okay.
Move pa tayo dun sa right. Move pa tayo sa right side. PJ, may loadout dito.
Ay, may tao.
Kailangan ko ng plate.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
Ito
This
plate.
is for keeps.
Ito. Plate box.
Pepe, naki-Pepe, nasa control.
Thank you.
Basag, Pepe. Basag. May nasa amin na, Pepe! Thank you. thank you. Salamat.
May bayad yun, no? James, may bayad yun. pal.
Sige, pag buhay ka to.
Wala akong bala.
May mga bala dyan ah.
Okay, ako kumuha ka.
Mga trap.
Put your mines ha, lagay niyo yung mga mines nyo. May nag-sniper pa rin sa control, Pepe.
Gas is inbound.
Dito.
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Yung mga
Alin?
mine nyo, lagay nyo everywhere.
Sniper, guys.
Meron ako ammo box ha. Gusto nyo kailangan nyo na.
Ito.
Baba ko na.
Meron ako 8 dito, pare. Ayun, 8.
Drop ko na tong ammo box. Wala akong ammo box. Ay, puta. Dali.
Gas mask here.
Thank you. There you go, shield.
Bomb drone ready to detonate. No effect on target.
Babatihan ko itong mga nasa control ah.
Yeah. Tingin mo pag ano,
Find cover.
push na sila.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Ayun na.
Friendly mortar strike on the way.
Pinuman ng tubig. Ipon natin ha.
Yeah.
Patay na yan. Left and right. Shit.
Gas is closing in. The safe zone is far from your location. Get moving, pronto. Keep the
Ay,
pressure
ito
on.
so good.
Hoy, ba't mo binabalil?
Dito.
Help. Four versus two. Shit, PJ.
Ayun kami. Dito,
Hey.
papatay. Ay, puto na naman.
Got 4 remaining.
I love you, atin ko.
Wow, ni-step siya ako sa ano, harapan. Wow.
KO.
Two versus two.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Laid up.
Stupid na.
PJ, it's on you. Bumili, PJ.
Ay! Dinapaan ako!
Victory ours next time. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Namatay ako. Thank you for that.
Fourth.
Dapat din ako nagpa-revive kasi salamat. Oh well.
Ay, pwedeng ano. Okay.
Ano?
Balik mo sa weapons.
Sige.
Please.
Okay.
I'll change my shit.
Ano gagawin mo?
Turn on ko kasi yung webcam ko. Hindi ko ma-turn on.
Sayang.
Ayaw. Bulan bumagyo. Ayos lang.
Ano, okay na?
Hindi kailangan kung ano close yung game real quick.
No, you don't need to.
Nasa loading pa rin ako.
No, kasi, yeah, ako rin nasa loading, hindi ako makalabas.
Kaya rin, ako rin.
No, kasi may napindot ako na, like, asking me uninstall it. Weird. Ayaw.
Ano ba?
Loading pa rin eh.
Loading pa rin, nasa... Yeah, stuck lang ako sa ano. Maybe you need to leave the game, kuya.
Leave
I
the
can't.
party.
Yeah.
I can't, kasi
No,
loading
close
lang
the
eh.
app. Close the app. I'm gonna close my app.
You cannot. Y'all are here.
I just closed my app, the whole game, so...
Sabi match searching for 47 pin.
Diyan ako sa...
Hindi ako makaalis eh. Wala, I'm
Hindi,
stuck.
you can't close the game.
I can't close the game.
No, Alt 4, Alt, tsaka F4, kuya.
Ano Alt F4?
Alt F4, para Di ba yan? Try mo lang.
Wala. Ayun.
Okay.
Ala. The fuck? Sabi ko na nga ba na-uninstall eh.
Ba't paano na-install yun?
Napindot ko siya kanina eh. Hindi ko na ano.
Oh. Oh, shit. I'm ready, whenever you guys are.
I'm almost there. Ano ba yan?
DJ, tagal mo.
Sorry, tara. Ano ba?
Ba't di mo lang mamaya gawin niya, kuya? If you nalilito ka.
No, hindi ako nalilito. Like, may
Okay
na... Yun. Ay, salamat. Ayun. Okay.
Ayun na. PJ gusto mag webcam.
Ito na.
Mag-show.
I'm here.
Start ko na.
Yeah.
May webcam ka na.
Yes.
Ginaya mo si, ano, si PJ, Pepe, ng skin.
Ano yan?
Ng skin. O hindi. Sa skin ko is showing to soap to yung dalawang pare-parehas na skin. That's normal sa lobby. Sometimes you get mixed up.
Check your weapons, check your gear. We're holding for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemies dropping into the AO. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war
Night,
zone.
guys. GG.
Night.
Good night, then. Huwag ka pa sa game.
Sige. Sige. Pagkita.
Jay.
What?
Kung mag-live ka ba, James? Kasi si Pepe lang ang naka-live eh.
Bakit napanoorin mo pareho?
Try ko kung pwedeng mode out.
Ayan.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight. Be advised, we've received a high priority contract. Check the marks on your attack map. Think we got their attention with that one. Move in. Supply boxes marked. Secure those locations. One supply box down. 2 remain.
Pulling me out.
2 supply boxes down. 1 to go. All supply boxes secure. Contract complete. strike near.
Copy. Phoenix 2-3 on approach. Strike inbound.
Wrapping. Wrapping ang money. Right.
Ay, putang ina mo. Hindi
Oh,
ka
Loadout
mo
drop
pa.
inbound.
So right here. Yeah.
Pwede eh. Pwede mag-multi, ano, manood ng multi-stream.
Inbound. Good kill.
Wala
Mark
ka
the
na
rest of that squad on your team map. Go get hunting.
Sabay.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Nasabay mismo.
Your squad mate's back on
Bumaba.
station. Good work.
Manda kayo sa akin.
Inbound. You got gas moving in.
Wala akong barrel.
Enemy located the rest of them. Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting.
Ay!
May tao dyan sa'yo.
UAV.
Alright, your squad's
Ayun,
in
nasa
the
dulo
safe
ng ship,
zone.
nasa dulo ng ship.
Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile UAV online.
Ay, wala pala akong bala, puta na.
Stand
Ito
by
dito,
for the
last
squad.
guy. Knifing.
Wala akong bala, James eh.
Maraming gun dyan.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Stay alive. Ang kulit niyo ah.
Dito man.
Wala, playing up. Ay, shit.
You're back on station. Go get after it.
Down one.
Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them.
I love you.
Ay,
Bunker basta mo kaya sila.
Your squad
Oo,
mates
ano?
redeploying.
Alam-
Well
alam ko yun,
done.
Kanina pa to ah.
ay, puta na. Tinamaan din ako ng sarili kong bala. The fuck? Ay, patay.
I need a gun.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Loadout, Pepe! Loadout!
Oh, hindi ako makapag-aim.
Oh my
Failure
god.
ain't bait.
Oh my god.
Tsaka.
Chapter. Ay, hindi ako naka-record kaya tayo natalo.
Ay, kasalanan mo,
Record
James.
mo, James. Inibet.
Ayan, na-upload na yung win natin. Bilis.
Ay. Ano pala nangyari sa internet mo, James, nung isang araw? Like, parang outage din? Parang like mine?
No, nasira yung modem. Ayaw
Ayaw
mag-on. So, pinalitan nila.
Ay.
I like to miss you.
Ulan, bumagyo, ayos lang.
Nanalo kayo. Nanalo kayo.
No.
Pinalabas ko yung mga aso, hindi ko na. Sige na, good night. Love you all.
Love you. Good night.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon. Enemy soldier incoming. All stations, green light. We are deploying to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. High priority contract is available. Check the attack map for objective location. Gotta love a good edge. Alright, let's move. Secure the supply boxes. Locations are marked on your attack map.
Ay, sorry.
Bakit?
Other side.
Hostiles deploy the Mosquito. Heads up, an enemy squad marked you as a bounty target.
Over na lang.
Supply box secured. 2 to go.
Oh.
They're shooting.
2 supply boxes secured. 1 remaining.
Kunin ko na yung scavenger. Ay, nasa ano? Ay,
Time for vengeance. You're
nasa
redeploying.
control pala. Kala ko nandito lang.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Saan ba? Sa kabila? O dito?
Napamali ako. James AFK ba? Ay,
No,
hindi
I'm
siya.
here. I'm trying to run away. May kalaban kasi ko kanina doon.
Ako nang bibili kung kasi yung pera.
You got a loadout drop inbound. Enemies are dropping into the
Rapper,
area.
ito.
Got it. You're ground. Move it.
Sige. Patayin niyo yan.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Ay,
Ang maliit na
All
bahay.
squad members are in the safe zone.
Hindi ko alam. It's somewhere over there.
Downstairs.
Ayun, umakit na. Nagganon na siya. Nagbalon na.
Di pa namatay yun? Down yung isa eh. Ayun. Nice. Ay, puta na,
Ay,
termite ako.
Sa'yo yun, Mike?
No, di sa akin. Wala, may plates pa? Wala na. Wala akong plates eh.
Ito, plates, oh. Ito, Mike, oh.
Ano ako?
Thanks.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Buy station, let's go sa tunnel.
Okay.
Ay, puta na, snipe ako, guys.
So ka?
Tunnel
Lumaki
tayo.
ka?
Patay, nandun. I'm down, I'm dead.
Land on loadout.
Okay, yo.
So sa loadout, Mike.
Ay,
XP boost
Smoke ko sa
deployed.
PJ.
Yeah.
I'm
Your squad
dropping.
mates back on station. Good work.
Enemies deployed a counter UAV.
Run now.
Yeah.
Yeah, run now.
Ayun, teka. Ayan.
Ano yung...
Let's go. Use your smoke.
Smoke party. May buy station, no? Tayo sa gitna.
Try mo i-shoot.
Ay, meron na akong technique yan. Pero sabang ko lang yun. Over here.
You have a buy station inbound.
Ayan.
Friendly
Ayan.
buy station inbound. Location marked.
Our counter UAV is active.
Mike, set up mo to, oh.
Tingnan 500.
Marking the rest of them.
500 lang.
Friendly buy station is ready.
500.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Pasok ba? Ay,
Ay, hindi na. Di ba? Siguro may mabaril sa labas. Pagka ganun, di pa pa.
May kalabang
Feeling
ka?
ko.
Basta ka naman. May kalabang ka.
Pa rin yan, Mike.
Confirmed.
Yung
Located
kamo.
the rest of them.
Ano yan?
Ganda, no?
Contract
Ayan.
failed.
Galaw mo,
Supply
Mike.
cache locations.
Ayan.
Contracts pulled.
Ang ganda.
Yun yung
Hoy, bumili kayo ng
Ayan.
something, oh.
Yun na.
Samayin niyo yung pera nyo.
Oh.
May ammo ako. Armor, bilhin nyo.
Oh,
Ayun na.
Bumili kayo sa harap.
Supply box is located. Move to
wala akong pera.
secure.
Uy, oh. May kasama niyo pera.
Alright,
Samahin
squad's
nyo.
in the safe zone.
Pepe,
Enemy
ito.
buy station deployed.
Labas na. Kaya na, ako bibili.
Ano bibilin? Ano kailangan?
Ah.
Meron akong gas
Enemy
mask.
buy station
Armor.
incoming.
Armor.
Armor, kay.
Ay, nag-open ako ng ammo box dito. Kung ano ka
Okay.
dyan.
Saan ba yung pera? Kuya, may pera ba?
Ang pera. Bili kayo ng mortal. Meron akong ammo box na extra.
Pera. Armor ba? You need it now, James, right?
No.
Okay.
May mga
Okay
mine
lang.
dito. Yung mga kailangan nyo.
Ay, kailangan ko ng 9 James. Wala ako.
Kailangan
As in, 0 place ako ngayon eh. Ay,
Bibigyan mo na kita.
Okay.
Ay, may dinrap ako dyan.
Yeah,
Ito, Michael, meron, ang dami kong plates. Ito.
Meron din sa harap.
Ayun, o.
Okay.
Nag-drop akong tatlo.
Okay.
Ito.
Okay.
Laban sa
Tama.
harap.
I mark the plates, Mike.
Laban
Yeah,
sa harap.
Fire sale is active.
Pasok ka, Pepe. Patay mo, Pepe.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Maraming mine dyan kung ano yung kailangan nyo.
Be advised, enemies deployed a buy station.
Wala naman ako nakita James eh. Ayun, no, sarap.
Harap.
Window is ending.
Down. Help!
Gas is closing in.
Kulang na mine sa ladder.
Wala akong like, ano, mine.
Ayan.
Ayun o.
Para!
Pasok.
Ay, si ano?
Got him. Baril lang.
Ay. Reloading ako. Sa likod din yata, may ano? Sa likod din na may boss na pito sa likod, ha?
Nakita ko ano dun eh. Kaya merong... Nakuha ko player. Pwede may Mortal Strike. Mortal Strike. Ay, dito sa likod.
Uy.
Na-drop ko yung ammo box sa harap.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Ako ba?
Hostile mosquito is online.
Contract failed. Objective lost. Supply cache locations are offline. Contract's compromised.
Ay, puti.
Move to the safe zone.
Wala pa lang gas mask.
Ay,
25 remaining. Solid work so far.
Ayan.
tara.
Setting mine.
Ay, nag-down pa na ako, grabe.
Yeah. Backup lang ako. Kaya.
Clear nyo. Saan yung clear nyo?
Dito. Oh, pantay.
Yung clear. I-clear nyo yung clear. Nakabalik kami gamit pa.
You got gas moving in. Safe zone's a ways out. You need to get moving.
Tagal.
Tayo.
Saan ito press natin?
Tepe, saan ka pupunta?
Ayun.
Ay, ano na yan?
Revive nyo.
Yes.
Ay, puta na.
Ay, wala akong gas. Ay, pa rin yun.
Fuck, man.
Ay, go.
Wala yung smoke?
Tatalon sila sa atin.
Ayan.
Ayun,
dito
dito
sa-
ka matapos tayo.
Gas is moving. Head to the safe zone.
Doon tayo kay Pepe. Tara kay Pepe tayo.
Ay.
Ay, ito. Ay, puta, tamahan ako. Patay niya. Revive.
Wow, man.
Pepe. Saan? Right behind you. Smoke.
Ay.
Jane.
Ay! Oh shit.
Time's almost up. Finish the mission.
Sa taas kayo?
No.
Saan? Ako sa taas.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Ay, maaro tayo dito.
Ay, yes, yes. Sila.
Lalim? Yes!
Good work. That's how it's done.
Five.
Yeah! Dang, that was good, man.
Yeah.
Damn
Fuck
it.
yeah.
I was sweating. Grabe, James. Ang galing ni James. Ang lakas. Nakita niyo yung ginawa ko kanina? Tinalon, yung sinasagasaan ako ng, ng kotse. Tumalon ako sa roof ng